Yep, I smell coolant. Well, hey everybody. Just got off work, currently 4:30. Definitely feels a lot later. There's a bunch of clouds in the sky. Kind of look like it should start raining, which isn't going to be fun since, well, this is my shop. But today I'm going to be changing out my fan. Well, I guess mostly the fan clutch. I am tired of it overheating. Actually, here is a video of the last time I went out wheeling, what it kind of did. Uh-oh. Yep, I smell coolant. Tired of it overheating. Kind of ruins the fun. You have a good thing going, and then all of a sudden you look down, the old temperature gauge is a little high, it smells like coolant, and it's not cool. The normal smelling like cooked Pop-Tart smell, getting warm is fine, but when it starts puking coolant, that's something else. So, right here, we have the new to me fan clutch. It's got really good resistance. And then over here, we got Anthony's Tacoma. Because as you'll see, Grandpa truck is missing. Anthony had to borrow it to pick up a special project. There's the old white truck, old daily driver. Anyways, as you'll see here, this has like no resistance. It shouldn't free spin like that. So keep in mind, I haven't driven this thing since Monday, I think was the last time I drove it. So it's been sitting here cold. So it's cold, this is cold, and this has way more resistance. So today's project is replacing that fan clutch, which, I don't know if you guys can see that, right down here. Apparently a nut is backing out, but it's fine. The other three are still tight. That's passing. So let's see how this goes. It shouldn't be an issue, but for some reason projects with me never really go smoothly. So let's see what happens. So I guess I forgot to show you this mess. All of my tools are in the toolbox of the Tacoma. It has a stupid, there we go. So here's my toolbox. So take these, do that, move that over there because it's probably dead. Move this over here because we aren't needing it. And then we get to play the fun game of where the heck is everything? That's a hammer. That'd probably work at a pinch to get it off. I don't actually know what size we're looking for. I'm guessing a 12, which, since a 12 is the size I'm looking for, that means it is going to be the one size I cannot find. Nope. So, I'm going to set the camera down. Put that over there. We don't need a drill yet. We don't need the hammer yet. We found one. We even found the flex head. Now let's just hope it's the right size. On the plus side, it's starting to rain. It's even the right size. loose. Loose. That's weird, the one backing out's loose. Didn't see that coming. Now we're going to try and get to the bottom one. Loose. So, in nut. Use the top of the supercharger right there. And you might notice there is no fan shroud. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, well, that's why it gets hot, he doesn't have a fan shroud. I haven't had a fan shroud on here since I put a body lift on it. And I've had a body lift on here ever since I've had the 35s, which was back in the old automatic days. And it never used to get hot. I don't know if it matters or if it means anything, but I used to not have a skid plate on here. And it would get snow packed up in here really good. It would actually get so much snow in here, it would stop the fan from spinning. And I would only notice this when I happened to look down at the gauge and it's like almost touching the red. So, I'm wondering if that has something to do with this, because it's been a long time since I actually remember hearing the fan like lock up. Now for the fun part of trying to get this off without putting it through the radiator. Let's go back here to the magic toolbox of mess. Let's see. Looks like a pry bar. Looks like a smaller pry bar. Let's see how well these work. Apparently I didn't even need any nuts because it is really on there. Well, let's come back to the old magic toolbox. Sure. I don't know if you guys heard that. That was a V8 swap Mazda Miata. Seen it down the street. Didn't realize it was V8 swapped. Okay, but seriously, why won't this just come off? Oh, we're getting more wiggle out of it. Wiggle doesn't help, I just want it off. And then look at the old one. Looks like there's 4 nuts on there. Wonder if I can get those off. Maybe get to it easier. They don't appear to be 12 though. So, get out the old school snap-on kit. Grab this. That will need an extension. So then we will grab a 10mm, the old ratchet, set it to off. And luckily, it's starting to rain more. So that's cool. Comment below. Let me know if there's a easier way to do this. Hopefully I never have to do it again, but it should be nice to know some tricks. Yeah, that fell down there. Luckily I can see it. Okay, I just hit it farther down. Luckily farther down was also an easier spot to get to. Alright, so got the fan blades off. Remember that hammer I said? So let's not use that one yet. I'll use this one. Makes me feel better. Really hope I don't have to take the belts off for this. That one's kind of bent in a funny shape from trying to get axles out down in Moab. So let's move on. Guys, I'm not a mechanic, in case you couldn't tell. I'm just a parts guy. Yeah, remember how we were worried about putting it into the radiator? Yeah, it just bounced off the radiator. Doesn't seem to be leaking yet. But for all that, appear to be the same. That one still turns pretty easy. That one definitely turns a lot harder. So now, hopefully it just goes right back on. I'm guessing the difference between orange and green is hopefully towing package. Mine came with a towing package. It was a TRD, so E-locker, all that kind of stuff, but I really don't care. As long as this new one locks up, then we'll call that a win. Apparently it helps if you put the ratcheting wrench on there the right way so that it actually tightens. There's 3 out of 4. It's passing. That's how we started. Doesn't really mean I need to tighten up the last one. Way more resistance. Radiator still isn't leaking. Grab all these pry bars, this hammer, set them here on this workbench, grab these nuts, I'll come here, for safekeeping I guess, I don't know. I'm a hoarder, so I probably won't end up throwing this away for whatever reason. Go. Open the door, usually a good first step. Hop in. Pull the old shifter vehicle. Okay. See what happens. Started. Not making funny noises. Fan is spinning. Radiator's not leaking. Actually sounds like it's moving air. I don't remember it sounding like that for a long time. I think we did it, guys. And girls, I guess, might be watching this too. So, that was today. Not a very long video, not a very entertaining video, but it's a video nonetheless. Get to see my shop. Random drill noise, I don't know. But thanks for watching. Like I said, comment, let me know. Maybe there was a easier way for me to get that off, or I don't know, maybe you guys have some kind of trick for me. Comment below. Let me know what you want to see. I mean, did you like me working on stuff? Do I look like a total weirdo? I don't know. I'm sure I probably do. Like I said, not a mechanic, I'm a parts guy. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment, random cat. Comment below. Let me know, do you like cats or not? But, thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great night. Bye. Real quick. I know we already left, but here's how we put tools away. Grab them, except for the socket and ratchet. Grab these, then we just do that. Grab these. Set that there, you gotta shake it real good. Take the hammer. You gotta set it on top, that way there's weight to keep the lid down. Grab these. Kind of throw them in there somewhere. Take this. Make sure to do that again. Walk over here. Do more of this. Walk back over here. And it's shut.